I was sent the CASEKOO case for the iPhone 15, and what I love about this is that even though it seems really lightweight and like it's not very protective, it says it can withstand a drop onto concrete up to 3 meters, which is about 9.97 feet, and they send me a dummy phone. So I say, let's do it. So let me show you how easy this is to put on, and then let's test it on a drop. Okay, so putting it on, you're gonna look that side, put your phone there first, and then you just pop it into place. It's so simple. So I love that ease of it. The case never yellows, and then it has like basically an airbag around your phone. Also comes with this little holder if you want a little stand, and you get some cute little panda stickers as well. All right, let's take this outside and test it out. 9 feet, way up over my head. So if I hold my arm straight up, that's gonna be less than the 3 meters. So that's what we're gonna go for. 3, 2, 1. Absolutely perfect. Not even a ding on the case. All right, this passes the test. Your phone will be nice and safe.